Hi guys, Lens here. I have this Samsung Galaxy A70. The problem in which we're having, the fingerprint sensor is not working. So you wanna go to biometrics and security, and when you go fingerprint, this is what it says. Fingerprint sensor calibration needed. How can we fix this? So you wanna go software update. You want to download check for updates, so that's what we're going to quickly do. So the software is currently up to date, and yeah, for us to fix this, guys, you can try doing a factory reset. You can try doing a hard reset. You can try flashing the phone. Those options may work, but from the get-go, I am going to take the phone apart and I am going to check the fingerprint sensor. So we have the fingerprint sensor here. We are going to replace it. So guys, this is the one I took out, and this is the one I'm going to replace it with. We are going to test this one, and we're going to see if it will work. So you want to unplug the battery, so that the battery is unplugged. Then you want to plug in the sensor, you plug back in the battery. Then we are going to put back on the back cover. So we're going to turn on the device, and we are going to test just to make sure that we're getting the fingerprint sensor to work. So we're going to head over to settings. We are going to go straight to biometrics and security. Take the brightness up a bit. So guys, we're going to hit the fingerprint here. And what do you know? It's working. It is working, guys. It is working. So guys, this is how you can fix this. Bear in mind that if your fingerprint sensor not working, you can replace, or you can do a factory reset, you can do a update, you can flash your phone. Also, I would advise you, if you have ever changed your motherboard, you will want to replace your fingerprint sensor as well, because this can create calibration problems. So if you ever replace your motherboard in the past, it's very important to replace the sensor as well, because the sensor is collaborated with that motherboard. So you want to change the sensor as well, you want to transfer the sensor as well. I hope that this video was helpful to you guys. Do like, share and subscribe. All I have to do is to just put back in these screws, remove all those old adhesive glue, and stick back the back cover. So I am concluding this video, guys. My name is Lens. If you're new to my channel, go right ahead, like, share, subscribe and all of that good stuff. Bye bye.